Welcome back to Baker's Bites. If this is your first time watching my videos, welcome. If you have not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button. It really helps me want to make more videos like this for you. Add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and fenugreek and roast until the raw smell is gone. Transfer to a plate to cool completely. To the same frying pan add dried chili and kashmir dried chili. I didn't have it, so I am using cayenne pepper dried chilies. Dry roast the chili for 2 to 3 minutes. Remember to stir continuously. Don't burn it. After 2 minutes, transfer to the plate to cool down completely. Add gralic cloves to the frying pan and cook until it turns golden on all sides. Transfer to the plate and let it cool completely. Once all the ingredients are cooled, completely add them to a blender. To it add small piece tamarin soaked in 2 tablespoons water. Also add in a 1/4 cup water. Blend until it forms a thick paste. To the chicken pieces, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the chili paste and mix well. Once mixed well, let it marinate for 10 to 20 minutes. In a pan, add a 1/4 cup ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add in the marinated chicken. Keep mixing occasionally. Don't let it burn in the bottom. Once the chicken is cooked slightly, add in salt and sugar and the remaining chili paste. Mix well until all the ingredients are mixed in well. Stir occasionally. Once all the water has evaporated and the oil is released, that when you continuously mix. Continuously mix for 2 to 3 minutes. You can finish off by adding in some curry leaves and mixing well before plating it. This dish is suitable for both rice and roti. Once you try this recipe, comment down below how it turned out.